What if I told you one AI platform can replace your writing, designing, video editor, and research assistants, and almost nobody is talking about it? I have tested dozens of AI tools on this channel, but genuinely this one surprised me. And if you are a AI brand or SaaS company watching this is exactly the kind of audience you want. Let's break it down. The platform is called Hix.ai. As you can see over here, it's their dashboard. It's an all-in-one AI productivity suite designed for creator, marketer, founder, and agencies. Basically, anyone building online. Instead of jumping between 4 or 5 tools, Hix brings everything under one roof. And that's where the real value is. The core function about Hix is it can generate long-form articles, YouTube script, email and outreach messages. It can create ads, caption, and landing page copy. The output are natural, structured, and SEO friendly, not robotic. Perfect for creator, affiliate marketers, agencies, and even crypto and AI YouTubers like me. The second thing is smart chat and research mode. Unlike basic chatbots, Hix lets you create, ask complex questions, summarize long documents, rewrite content in different tones, and even fact check while writing. This saves hours every week, especially for content heavy businesses. And the third one is my favorite. AI detection and humanization. This is huge. Hix includes AI content detection, AI humanizer tools. So if you are worried about Google penalties, AI generated content flags, or platform complaints, these features alone make it worth trying, because it will humanize your writing or anything that you put over here, and it will show you like human writing or human script. Hix.ai is ideal for content creator, SaaS founders, AI startup, marketing agencies, freelancer, crypto and Web3 brands. Basically, if your business runs on content, this tool scales you without hiring. And here's the truth. People don't trust just banner ads. They trust real use cases, real creators, real demonstration. And that's why AI brands sponsoring creator-led content are winning right now. If you are an AI company watching this audience is already tech savvy, action oriented, and actively buying tools. I'll drop the Hix AI link in the description so that you can test it out yourself. And if you are an AI or SaaS brand looking to reach creator, founder or crypto user, reach out for sponsorship, integration and reviews are open. This is Crypto SJ breaking down tools that actually move the needle. That's all for today guys. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel for future updates and videos like this. Have a great day.